how to change password on DiDi account. Hello friends, in this video you would learn how you can change password on DiDi account. The first step is to open the DiDi Rider app on your phone, and once you've done that and you're brought to the page where you see your map as well as your address and your frequent drop-off location, move to the top left corner and click on the three horizontal lines that is being displayed. Then a page will be displayed where you can see your profile picture and your personal info and other functions. So the next step is to click on your edit personal info tab. Then you'll be brought to your profiles page. On this page, you can see first name, last name, mobile number, email, password. So to change your password, all you need to do is to click on it. Now, once I click on this password prompt, the next page will display a black screen. This is because DiDi does not support sharing personal details such as password. Alright, so but just follow the explanation that I'll be giving you. So just click on password and then you'll be taken to your password page. And then if you have a password already, you'll be asked to enter in the new password. That's you enter in the current password, then enter in the new password, and then click on confirm, and then just like that, your password would be changed. Alright, so ensure you click on confirm. If not, the changes would not be affected. But once you click on confirm, the password would be changed just like that. So this is it. Alright, this is how you can change password on DiDi. It is quick and easy. So if this tutorial has helped you, ensure you leave a thumbs up and as well as subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.